go. We back at it again, man. Everybody called me up and either brought stuff to my house or I went and got it. And man, what a blessing. Got a ton of this stuff. I got me a tub too. That was heavy. So here we go. Woof. Don't fall off. Old water heater cover. Bam. Oh man. Treadmill. See you later, alligator. Boom. Somebody's tent. See you later. Boom. Man, these guys don't fall off the truck with this on top of you. You're gonna get your butt tore up. Anybody want a bicycle? Thank God for these steel decks. Here we go. You know what? You're gonna go first. Here we go. Bye. Ducting vents. Goodbye. You know, it rained and thundered and lightning this afternoon. Got rid of the tires. Here we go. Boom. Drain pipe, anybody? I don't. And then there's somebody say, hey, get the lead out. Dude, I ain't got time. Grandpa got to get this stuff off the truck. Live in the suburbs of Los Angeles. That's right. LA Harbor. San Pedro, California. If I don't get that piece of brass off, well, that's how that rolls. God, I can't believe it, man. I'm blessed to get. Plumber brought me some stuff. Someone had a house made with galvanized pipe. Knocked me over with the front. How many decades you go by going like, Mama, there ain't no water pressure in the bathroom. I tell you why. He got galvanized pipe. I think they upgraded for the Memorial Day barbecue. So here we go, 1, 2. What a glorious sound. All right. Baby boy, baby boy. See you later. Was gifted the stove oven. Thank God this stuff slides. Woo! Get on the other side, Grandpa. You know what? Who irons their clothes anymore? I'm sure there are people that do. But you guys see me in enough videos. Definitely not something I do. Oh man. All right, we got this. I'm gonna finish this off, sweep it off. Let's get weighed, let's get paid. Thanks for coming every time. Appreciate all you guys. Glad everything's lit up tonight. We got the moon, La Bella Luna. Newsflash, they just raised it up. Just this last, 165. We'll take it. All right, man, it's that time. We had, the price went up a little. And we had about 1,800 pounds. Press any button and read the barcode. 137, not too shabby. Just overnight helping the community. Woof. Give it to me straight. Here it comes. All right, we love it. Thank you everybody for the calls. So let me clean up in the community. And Papa gets to stack some money for the next charitable thing. All right. Have a good night, everybody. 137. Yes.